And now for our cat, I've taken a 260 and inflated it, leaving about a 4-inch tail on the end. What we want to do is we'll start, make about a 2-inch bubble. Then we're going to make a small, about a 1/2-inch bubble. This will be a pinch twist. So make that a pinch twist. Now we're going to make a bubble slightly shorter than this one here. About an inch and a half bubble. Now we're going to make what's commonly known as a bear head. Make about an 1.5 inch bubble, and make a small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. Make about an 1.5 inch bubble, and I like to make this bubble slightly shorter than this one here. Then we're going to make another pinch twist. So make a little 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. You should now have your first bubble, a pinch twist, a small bubble, a slightly larger bubble, a pinch twist, another bubble, and then a pinch twist. Now we need to make another bubble the same size as this bubble here. So measure alongside it, twist it off, and then twist this whole assembly of these 5 bubbles together. And now we're going to take our first little piece, we made a little L, take the nozzle in, poke it through the middle of the head, about halfway, then come around to the back and grab the nozzle. You want to make sure that you grab the knot, not just the nozzle. And then twist that around the base of the head a time or two. Tuck it up in there. And that's our cat's face. Now we'll make a little short neck, about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubble. 2 little front legs, about 1.5 inches a piece. So you make 2 of those. Get them about the same size. Then we're going to lock twist that together. A little body, about a 2 to 2.5 inch bubble. 2 back legs, the same size as our front legs, 2.5 inch bubbles. Lock twist those together. What's left is your tail, and you can shape it if you like. And there's our basic cat.